Very good morning, all of you. Dear children, I welcome you all in the EVS class, and today's topic is cycle of clothes. Dear children, here we will learn how the clothes are made. Dear children, thinking routine, see, think and wonder. There is one muted video for you. What you see in the video, what you think and what makes you wonder. Now comes the learning outcomes. First one is students will be able to identify different machines used for making fabrics, retell the method how clothes are made, improve their vocabulary, and the last one is know how plants and animals are useful to us in making clothes. Now dear children, the essential questions. Question number 1. Which fiber do you like the most and why? Share your views. Second one is how do you differentiate different fabrics? And the last one is question number 3. List 5 things made from cotton fiber. First of all, we will learn about the cotton clothes, how cotton clothes are made. So dear children, we get cotton fibers from the balls of a cotton plant. Look here, it is a cotton plant and the balls of the cotton plant, those cotton fibers are spun into cotton thread or yarn. This is called spinning. Okay, this is a cotton thread. Look at the picture. The thread is woven into cloth. Weaving is done on a machine called loom. This is a machine shown in the picture. This machine is called as loom and weaving is done on this machine. We stitch clothes from a cloth or fabric. So, from a cloth or a fabric, we stitched clothes. Cycles of woolen clothes. How woolen clothes are made. We get wool from sheep. The thick hair that grows on the body of a sheep is called wool. So dear children, it's very clear that we get wool from a sheep. The wool is cut with big scissors or machines. It is then cleaned and washed. After cutting the wool with the scissors or machines, we clean it and we wash it. When it becomes soft, it is spun into woolen threads. These threads are used to knit sweaters, caps, socks, gloves and mufflers. Now cycles of silk clothes. We get silk from silkworm. So dear children, we get silk from silkworm. The silkworm gives out a long silky thread from its mouth. The silkworm It gives a long silky thread from its mouth. The process of making silk is called sericulture. Okay, keep this thing in mind that the process of making silk is called sericulture. It involves harvesting silkworms for the material. Fine. The silkworm wraps the thread all around its body to make a cocoon. We collect these cocoons. When these cocoons are opened, we get long threads called silk threads. These silk threads are woven to make silk cloth. Now we will study about the natural fibers and the man-made fibers. So students, the natural fibers are those fibers which we get from the nature, and the man-made fibers are those fibers which we made in our factories. Yes. So first of all, we will take the natural fibers. Cotton clothes, woolen clothes and silk clothes are the natural fibers. Why they are the natural fibers? Because we get these fibers from nature. We get these from plants and animals. So these are called as natural fibers. See, cotton we get from plant, wool we get from animal, silk we get from animal. So students, these are called as the natural fibers. Natural fibers and man-made fibers. So dear children, we are having two type of fibers. One is the natural. Natural means which we get from the nature, like we get from plants and animals. And man-made fibers are those which are made by man. So cotton clothes, woolen clothes and silk clothes are natural fibers. We get these from nature. And we get these from plants and animals. So these are called natural fibers. Now man-made fibers. We make fibers in our factories also. They are called man-made fibers or artificial fibers. Nylon, rayon, terylene and are man-made fibers. Clothes made from these fibers are more durable and attractive than natural fibers. We should always wear clean, ironed and properly stitched clothes. Now strategy. Emoji exit ticket. What questions do you have? What connections did you make? What confused you today? And the last one is, what did you learn today?